Hello and welcome. In this video we will show you how to upgrade from a previous version of OpenDedupe to the current version 3.6.0.13 as of May 2018. For this demonstration we have an installation of OpenDedupe 3.4.11 that was installed and used in Backup Exec 16, but we have now upgraded to Backup Exec 20.1. This version of OpenDedupe is still supported in Backup Exec 20.1, but we wish to upgrade that to the latest version of 3.6.0.13. This newer version is only supported for Backup Exec 20.1 and cannot be used with earlier Backup Exec versions. As you see in the Backup Exec Storage tab, I have two OpenDedupe devices configured, one using just local storage and one using Azure Cloud Storage. Let's go to the opendedupe.org website and into the Downloads section. Under Backup Exec Supported Downloads, it lists the available OpenDedupe versions and which Backup Exec version they can be used with. The Quick Start Guide link will open a Master Veritas article which has links to other configuration articles for the Backup Exec versions. Each article provides a configuration document and config tool for use with that Backup Exec version. Make sure that you refer to the correct document and tool for the Backup Exec version you are using, as they have slightly different functionality. Select to download both the SDFS binaries executable and the OST downloads zip for the Backup Exec 20.1 version. Once the downloads have completed, extract the OST zip file. Due to changes made to OpenDedupe in this latest version, it is not possible to carry out a direct upgrade if there has been any previous optimized duplication between two OpenDedupe storage devices. Additional steps are needed in this situation, and this table shows a summary of what is involved. So let's go through these additional steps needed to upgrade when you have been using optimized duplication. First, go to the drive letter for the mounted volume that is the target for the optimized duplicate job. If you cannot remember which drive letter mount is for the target device, open the ostconfig.xml file in /sdfs/etc, which will show details of the volume and OST name used. Choose Select All to select all media, right-click and go to Properties, then untick Archive. Note that the Date Modified field will be cleared for all the media files. Remember, this step is only required if you have carried out optimized duplication jobs. From here, the upgrade procedure is the same regardless of whether optimized duplication has been used or not. We need to stop the Backup Exec services and then shut down the OpenDedupe volumes. If you do not stop the Backup Exec services first, the volumes will automatically remount and cause the upgrade to fail. So first, stop all the Backup Exec services. Then open an administrative command prompt, go to the OpenDedupe installation path and run the command shown, where password is the password used when the OpenDedupe device was configured, and port is the connection port to that device. Repeat this for any other OpenDedupe devices by changing to the appropriate port number. As there is also a new OST plugin for this version, while services are stopped, we need to put this in place. So go to the folder for the OST zip that we extracted earlier, copy the DLL file and paste that into the Backup Exec installation path, choosing to replace the existing file. Now we are ready to get the upgrade started. It is not possible to start the upgrade by just running the downloaded setup executable, as that will show this pop-up saying that the upgrade is not supported. The upgrade must be run using command line switches. Open or go back to the administrative command prompt window and go to the path where the SDFS setup executable was saved. Type in the file name and add /f at the end. Press Enter and when prompted, click on Yes on the warning, as we have already carried out this step. Again, if you have not run any optimized duplication jobs, this warning is not relevant and you can click Yes on this pop-up to continue. Click on I agree, next and then install. The upgrade will now start. Once completed, it will open the OpenDedupe.org website in your default browser. Minimize or close the browser and you will see that the installer has a status of completed. Click on Close and it will now ask for a reboot of the server. This should be carried out as soon as possible, but if you can reboot now, click Yes on the pop-up. Now the reboot has completed, if we check the installed programs, we can see that the OpenDedupe version is now 3.6.0.13. In Backup Exec, the OpenDedupe devices are online and ready for use. It should also be noted that, with effect from this version of OpenDedupe, you will no longer see the mounted drive letters of the OpenDedupe file systems in the operating system. That concludes this demonstration where we have shown you how to upgrade OpenDedupe from a previous version to the current version of 3.6.0.13. Thank you for watching this video and look out for others in the future. For formal training courses, please visit the Veritas Education Services page at www.veritas.com/services/education-services/training courses. Also remember to visit our support pages at www.veritas.com/support for further information.